No one could believe it, but it's finally there. The legendary FNAF movie is coming out and the hype is just unreal. The animatronics, oh, they look amazing. And the love to detail is insane. This game has been part of so many childhoods, including mine. And also the music, oh, absolute bangers. My personal favorite is the FNAF 1 music by the Living Tombstone. You know that song? However, even though it is a banger, it doesn't have enough bass. So let's fix that. Okay, what should we do? I haven't made RIDDIM in a while, so yeah, let's just do that. Okay, let's just make a RIDDIM bass, I guess.
2,000 years later.
Okay, I think I came up with something good. Ooh, I kinda like that. Let's combine it with a sub bass. Oh yeah, yep. This is definitely real RIDDIM right here. Time for some effects. Yes, I know. Sound Condenser is bad, but not for RIDDIM. Also, a bit of reverb from Effector, because I haven't used that plugin. And, oh, EQ out some lows, of course, so we have room for the sub bass, and some compression. I think the bass is quite nice, so let's grab some drums. Woo! So now we got the basic drop structure done. I know this sounds strange since it's RIDDIM, but it sounds very boring. Time for some automations. Okay, I am done now. And it sounds cool, I guess. I also made a variation with another bass sound on top, and it sounds very slimy. I think we are mostly done with the whole song because it's RIDDIM and has not a lot of variation there. Time for the breakdown. Let's be even lazier than the average RIDDIM producer. And just take the intro of the actual song and speed it up to 150. Some drums over that, and the breakdown is actually mostly finished. Variated in the second part of the song, just use some vocals from the actual movie, I guess, so we have still more of that FNAF vibe. I think these vocals were the good Vanessa, I think that's her. I don't know if that's actually her in the movie, but whatever. How she introduces every animatronic, and let's pitch the part down when she says Freddy, because this is the name that it's in the movie title. Yeah, it seems like that's it. I'm gonna master it really quickly.
2,000 years later.
And yep, I'm done, and time to listen to the final result.
Have you met them yet? Foxy, Bonnie, Chico, Freddy.
Hello. Hi.
That was incredibly fun. I hope you liked it. Have a nice day. Go and watch the movie when it's out, and yeah, bye.